Imagine running your own automation powerhouse all from a single Docker container with zero coding required. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you exactly how to self-host N8n and take full control of your workflows. Let us make it happen. First of all, install the Docker app. Go to the Docker website and sign up for an account if you do not have one. You can use Google, GitHub, or an email address to sign up. After signing up, download Docker Desktop. If you are using Windows, select Docker Desktop for Windows. For Windows, choose the 64-bit installer. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the setup process. Restart your computer when prompted. After restarting, accept the subscription service agreement and complete the setup. Docker Desktop is now installed. You can skip the introduction pop-ups. On the left side, you will see the navigation menu, including containers, images, volumes, builds, Docker Scout, and extensions. We will mainly work with images and containers. Now, let us create a folder to store all N8n related data. Name it something like N8n data. Open Docker Desktop and navigate to the Images section. Click on Search Images to run. Type N8neo/N8n in the search bar. Look for the image with over 100 million downloads and click Pull. Wait for the download to complete. Once pulled, the image will appear in the Images section. Click Run to create a container. In the optional settings, name the container something like N8n Container. Set the port number to 5678. Under Volumes, select the folder you created earlier. Enter /home/node/.n8n for the container path. Leave the environment variables blank and click Run. A Windows security pop-up may appear. Click Allow. In the Containers section, you will see logs indicating that the N8n editor is accessible via http://localhost 5678. Open this URL in your browser. You will be asked to create an owner account, fill in your details, and proceed. Answer the setup questions and click Get Started. You will see a pop-up offering free paid features. Enter your email if you want to claim them. Inside the N8n interface, the left side menu includes Workflows, Credentials, Executions, and Templates. Workflows is where you build automation. Credentials store API keys for external services. Executions log workflow runs. Templates provide pre-made workflows that you can import. To stop your N8n instance, go to Docker Desktop and click Stop on the container. Refresh your browser and you will see an error message. To restart, go back to Docker Desktop and click Start. Refresh the browser again and N8n will be accessible. You have successfully installed N8n in a Docker container using Docker Desktop, and that's it. Thank you for watching.